Welcome to my channel. My name is Naturally DCA, and in today's video it's about braid takedown. Yes, it's been about 3 months when I started using rice water in my braids for more length retention and hair growth. So as you can see, I'm almost done. This all the hair that I've taken out, and as you can see, it's in braids. That is in twists. Yes, that's my own real hair that is in twist. Spraying rice water and using my Ayurvedic hair oil in my hair. So with this one, I want to show you something. Yes, spraying the rice water in my hair got me all this new growth, of which is much well appreciated. So much. Yes, those all the new growth that I got. Yes, that's it from here, using my Ayurvedic oil and my rice water. Yes, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the rest of camera. Maybe I'll take one for you to see. Take this one. You know, the purpose of this video is about carefully taking down your braid to prevent breakage, and also how to remove buildup. So that's where I have the and yes, yeah, so that's the process. I was on to get this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, because today is not my wash day, or I'm not going to wash my hair off very soon. No, I'm waiting for about 3 days for my hair to breathe without the braids. Then I'll go ahead and wash it. Yes, I'll go ahead and wash it. So I'm going to do the rest of camera. Yes, I'm going to do the rest of camera. Then guys, I'm done taking all of the braids out. So I'm going to show you how you remove the build-up. So that's my build-up, and that's all the hair, new hair that I got. So you hold the hair like this, and then you start separating them bit by bit. Yes, so yeah. I don't know if the small hair that I shared. So I'm going ahead to twist this part. Alright guys, so we got into this part, and this how doing this part also once again for you to see. That's my hair. Alright guys, so I'm going ahead to really set up so I'm going to do the rest off camera, as you can see. Alright guys, so that's how my hair looks like. As you can see, some of them are not well detangled, so I'm going to leave it like this until my wash day. Then I'll go follow it by my daily routine as usual. Alright guys, so if you come to the end of the video, if this is your first time watching my video, don't forget to subscribe and share. If you want to grow your natural hair so long, you're interested in knowing the Ayurvedic treatment that I use for my hair, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below and share. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up.